Hello guys, today I'm gonna help you with no SIM card detection on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's get to it. So what we need to do is we need to take out the SIM card from the phone. You do it like here, like this. And we need to take out the SIM card, so it's also easy. You can do it like this. It pops right out. And what we are gonna do next, we are gonna take a soft cloth here and we're gonna clean it. Hey, it's clean. Now we put it right back in to the holder. I have big hands, so it's hard for me, but don't worry. Okay, we put it in. Okay, and now we check if it works. Okay, so what we are gonna do to check it? Oh, I have already it opened. But so you know how to do it. You go to settings, you look for SIM manager, my bad. Oh, it's SIM manager. Oh, it's here, and you go to SIM manager here. Now you see the SIM card is on, but it works. But we're gonna turn it off just so you can see. Now it don't work, and now it's gonna work. Okay, so on this phone it works, but just to be sure, we are gonna see on other phone if it's gonna work right now. Okay, so we take out the mobile SIM again. Okay, sorry, mobile SIM card, and we are taking the second phone to test it. Okay, I have it here. It's this iPhone. We are taking out the SIM card and we are gonna place it here in this holder. So we are putting it here like this. Oh, you see? And it goes in the phone. Okay. We're gonna unblock it. Oh, you can see mobile service is working, but to get here, you go to settings. Look here, mobile service. I don't know why it won't work, but you see I have it here. I think it's the phone fault, but you see we have it. We turn it off, we turn it on, it works. But if we take out the SIM card, we're gonna do it like here. So you see here, no SIM available. If we take it out, it stops working. So it means our SIM card is working, but it can be a lot more things that make your SIM card don't work. For example, like bugs in your system, you didn't update your software in a while, so it won't work. Or it's just, to be honest, it's just this. But okay, so we are gonna, on this phone, Samsung S25 Plus, we are gonna test the updates, software updates, if you have it, okay? So what we are gonna do is we go to settings, yes, and write down software updates. You have it here, this blue thingy, okay, and check for updates. Okay, my software is up to date, but your maybe isn't. That's why it doesn't work. And if you do all of this, your SIM card is gonna work. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.